Excuse the pollen. So we're doing the third brake light. You got to get this little pop rivet out. This is just a Phillips. Turn it to the left and then pull it out. And then we're gonna have to get this or pull this away from the frame. There's gonna be two 10mm bolts under here. Alright, so we got the two 10mm brake light bolts out, and now we're just going to take the brake light out and disconnect it. Alright, so we got the tail light out, and now we're going to connect our connector pin. Alright, so the connector pin is connected, and now we're going to put the long cable and we're going to fish it through the bumper. Yeah, I'd need a car wash, but there's 4 little pop rivets, and then you'll be able to get to the light, and the light just has 2 clips at the bottom. You'll push those clips up, and then the plastic piece will just pop right out.